What's up, fam? Today we got what's the
Xxtra Flamin hot Cheetos.
They just sound so good, don't they?
Yeah.
Twice as hot Cheetos crunchy extreme flaming hot. That's what we got. You know what I'm saying, people? Okay?
I never tried those before, actually.
That's what we got.
Excuse me.
Whoa! Round of applause.
Okay, come on.
Look at them things. Look.
Oh, that look hot. They might not be this hot.
Huh, y'all know y'all gon' Here.
You just do. I'm gonna let Stank try one. Your phone died, Nikita. Give my phone. They ain't that hot. They just taste like the regular Cheetos. Actually. Not really.
You gotta let it kick in.
Ain't nothing hot. We used to hot stuff.
Stop talking and let it kick in. For real, let it feel it. Let yourself feel it.
I don't feel nothing. It's not that hot. It's sometimes.
See, they used to this hot stuff.
I got two on y'all.
Okay. Y'all, just y'all grab y'all some right there. For all my hot lovers. Yeah.
Dog, you gave them a skinny one.
I mean, they all skinny. Well, I see it.
This Stank one.
I'm gonna go. You want some hot chip, baby?
You want some Stank? Want some hot chip?
You want to taste it? Let me know if it's hot.
Okay, it is hotter than usual. Hot.
I guess it's hot to him. Okay. I ate some.
Ew! Look at my hand.
Give it back then.
Look at my tongue.
Oh. Yeah, flip my hat. Here. Here, Javion. Here goes some water, baby. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Turn on your post notifications. Share this video with your friends, family, and uncle, cousins, brother, sister, all of them folks here.
Yeah, you know, we family, we cousins and aunties and uncles,
Brothers and sisters and
yeah,
and whatnot. And
we need to, hey y'all, we need to get up there. Oh, my earring fell off. God dog.
There, not up there.
Up there. We country. You hear me? I'm sorry. I ain't.
My bad.
Excuse you. But we are trying to get to 500. Can y'all get us to 500? Y'all just want us to stay right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't want us to grow. But anyway.
Look at her hat, y'all. The struggle is real.
The struggle is real. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all feel me? Okay. So, y'all, be happy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mama say, okay.
Wait a minute. Cardi B said. What she say?
Okay.
Oh.
My friend say, okay. Okay, Mama, end this video. But like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, get us to 500 subscribers like we always ask, and be happy.
What, Tequila?
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh no.
Be happy.
Stop. Come on.
Oh, no.
Be happy.
Okay, my baby a little sickly, but she still did it, y'all.